Welcome to your PromptROI Dashboard. We designed the user interface and user experience to be incredibly simple and intuitive. Let's begin by exploring the left side of the screen where you'll find the prompt section. By default, you're currently viewing the prompt section, and here you can see that we have one live prompt available. This particular prompt was published on July 7th and is set to private, which means it's not listed on the public marketplace. Instead, it resides in a private white label marketplace, clearly indicated by the label. The price for running this prompt is $9, and it belongs to the sales copy category within this private marketplace. Take note that this prompt has never been run before, as indicated by the Run 0 time status. In the bottom right corner, you have several options for managing this prompt. You can edit its content, delete it entirely, or share it with your desired audience. Now let's shift our attention to the upper right-hand corner of the prompt section. Here you'll find the New Prompt option. By clicking this button, you can embark on creating your next incredible prompt. For detailed guidance on prompt creation, please watch the corresponding video within this series. Directly below, you'll find your Draft Prompt section. These are prompts that you're currently working on but aren't quite ready to be published on your marketplace. And finally, if you need to find a specific prompt within your collection, you can utilize the search functionality, which is conveniently positioned right below the New Prompt button. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you find this tutorial helpful in navigating your PromptROI dashboard.